So good morning, Cagayan de Oro. We're driving here at the center. We're around Corrales Avenue. Pwede ba turn right ba dito? Pwede mag-turn right. This is turn right. I think pwede mag-turn right. Gaisano. So pwede tayo dito. Ito yung Centro Ayala. Turn right pala to dito. Ikot lang tayo sa corner, then balik tayo dun sa hotel. Just driving around bago natin ibalik yung kotse. Okay, diretso dito. Someone's naka-flat yung gulong niya. Okay, diretso here. No, I think to turn right tayo. Most of mga properties kasi na naikot natin outside of the center. I think we have to turn right here. No? Tingnan natin. This is turning right. Okay. Very urbanized na rin yun. Ikutan tayo dito. We wait for yung pedestrian. Okay, dito tayo.